Yeah, I just wanted to show you the Stroke Studio, and in particular how to change stroke width, style, and control pressure that you'd expect from a pen tool, a pencil tool, and brushes as well. So just taking this particular design here, I've taken out some of the natural strokes on the hair here. I'm going to reproduce them. So with the pencil tool selected rather, I can just draw some strokes. I'm not going to concentrate too much on the area down here, except to say that I'll just show briefly the effects of pressure controller with the Apple Pencil on my stroke, and then move away from that quickly to focus on the Stroke Studio. So by default, if I'm just drawing with the Apple Pencil, I'm kind of going to get, you can see there's a level of pressure sensitivity there, which is shown in this profile here on the Stroke Studio. So if I just do it more gently and then harder, you can see that quite distinctly. So I'm just going to do an undo there. And what I want to do is just to put the Apple Pencil away for a moment and just leave that just there. And I'll just change the controller on the pencil tool to velocity, and just show you that you can build up strokes using velocity with a higher stroke width. So I'll just undo that one there. The velocity, by the way, is a measure of how fast your finger moves along the stroke. So if you finish your brush stroke quickly, then you get a kind of a change in the tapering of the stroke, if you like. So with controller set to none, that really frees up the Stroke Studio to do its work. And what I want to do here is just to just draw a stroke through using my finger, a pencil tool stroke, and we'll just draw that like that. Now there's no kind of pressure sensitivity here. I can control the width. You can see that just there moving up and down. And that's nice enough as it is. I could do another one. And you know, I might want to be happy with that. But really what I want to do is to make it more natural, like the other strokes. So I'll just do an undo here. And I want to keep the width the same, but I want to just here, if I just do a long press on reset and reset the pressure to get back to kind of the default pressure graph there, or the profile, I can formulate the profile. It takes exactly the stroke that I want. So if I just bring that down there and just tap on there upwards to form like a curve, and then back up here, you should find that at the same width there, I can just, without the pressure controller of the pencil, get a brush stroke which is very controllable and which fits with the overall design.